Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylion's investment research tools. So these research tools provide you with access to research reports, analyst ratings, and other investment insights. Of course, here's a step-by-step guide on how to access and make use of these. So first thing you got to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and password. And once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the invest section by clicking on the invest tab. Next, you want to click on research and then select the investment research tool that you want to use. Now you got to enter the stock symbol or company name to access research reports and analyst ratings for specific things. So you can use the research tools to make informed investment decisions. That's going to help you out a lot when you are trying to make an investment decision. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Moneylion's investment research tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.